In this video, we're going to be showing you how we turn off reoccurring billing from Xbox Game Pass on our Xbox Series X. First thing we need to do is open up our settings menu. So let's go ahead, we'll pop open those settings, and then we're going to want to scroll down to the account option. Now within the account options, we're going to select subscriptions. Subscriptions, it's right underneath the payment and billing, right there. So we'll open that up and it takes us to our subscription menu, which is going to show us what active or canceled subscriptions we have. Now because Game Pass is reoccurring, it's going to be our active subscription that we need to select in order to turn it off. So opening up our Game Pass subscription that is active, we do see that we have a whole bunch of options here. We can change the plan, turn off reoccurring billing, even cancel the subscription. We just want to turn off reoccurring billing, so we will go to that option and select it. Upon clicking this option, it's going to prompt us asking if we want to turn it off. It's making sure, are you sure you want to do this? So we have the option to turn off the billing right there, change the subscription or change the plan, or to close out of that window altogether if we change our mind. And by selecting turn off billing, we do receive a confirmation saying that it is officially turned off. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.